to Vlogmas Day 20. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe there are only like 5 days left of these vlogs of Vlogmas. Like, what? I made it? Okay, crazy. Anyway, guys, I have like so many packages to open right now. It's insane. First of all, I did a little knitting, okay, got a little progress on my sweater, but I'm just taking it slow because this sweater is knitting up like faster than I even like thought. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages here. 4 of them are yarn packages and 1 is a package from Petite Knit. Okay, so let's just get right into these packages. Here is the box. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I forgot I got more than just the bag. Oh, wait a minute. Oh shoot, look at how, okay, let me show you guys what it looks like when I open it. So let me hold this. This is what it looks like when I open it. Ah, this is so cool. Petite Knit. Oh. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. So I got the Knitter's Toolkit and I also got the bag. The blue bag. So as you guys know, I already have one other bag by Petite Knit. It's somewhere over there. I'm not going to grab it. And I was like, I need another one. So yeah, this is the other one. It has the Petite Knit label on it right there. Let's take this off so you guys can see it fully. All right. Here it is. Oh, it's so cute. Ah. Look at this. Oh. Ooh, that's tough. That's good. Anyway, this is what the bag looks like. These straps are so cute. Ah! Alright, now let's open up this Knitter's Toolkit. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I just wanted something small for my notions and stuff that I didn't have to like dig through a lot. Plus I wanted those like swan looking scissors. So this is what the little toolkit looks like. And inside it has like a bunch of stuff in there. So we have more cables. So you guys know the cables that I put on my sleeves of my Sunday sweater. These are that. These are that, I guess. Got some Petite Knit labels right here. And then, the swan scissors. I don't even know if it's actually a swan, but it's a bird. Like, look. Ah, so cool. Ah, yay! I wanted these. Okay, and then we have, I think this is a tape measure. Let's see. Oh, it is! Yay! Yep, it's a tape measure. Ah, so cool! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And then we have, oh, these little stitch counter thingies that I see like everyone use, but like I have row counters, so I don't need this to mark my rows, but you know, I could probably, oh, and then we have this label. Hello. Yeah, I don't know. I can probably gift it to someone, honestly. Yeah. Let's put this to the side. And that is all for non-yarn packages. Now let's move on to the yarn. Alright, so we have Explorer Knits. 2 packages from Explorer Knits right here. And 2 packages from Sarella. So let's open the Explorer Knits one first. Alright, what do we have here? We have a sweater quantity of yarn. Alright, let's open it. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Oh, she is so good with variegated yarns. Jeez. Come on. So we have, oh my gosh, it looks so good on camera. Are you kidding me? Look at that beauty. Just like bask in it. right now. Like, are you serious? Dude, this is called Under the Mistletoe. So, you know, it's holiday themed. And it is so freaking beautiful. These colors. Oh my gosh. And since there's so many colors, I can just like pick one of these colors in like a mohair and it'll just make this so good. I'll probably, I don't know, probably a dark purple or something. I feel like that'll go really well with this. Oh, so good. Okay, let's put this on the bed. Let's open up the second Explorer Knits one. I think these are sock sets. Oh yeah, baby. Bro, I wanted to get more sock sets, but Explorer Knits yarn sells out like this. Like, you have to be so quick with it, and I was literally there when the site launched and I was still too slow, but I got 2 sock sets that I actually wanted. So the first sock set is this beautiful one right here. I'm still working on my socks, guys, but oh, I'm so excited for socks now. My battery's dying, so yeah. Anyway, this is called Foliage and Fur, and oh, beautiful. Alright guys, so the second sock set I have is this beautiful brown one right here. Like, oh, this is so freaking pretty. It's called Crackling Campfire in Box Elder? I don't know, whatever. It's beautiful either way. And I got another one for Kalela. Now let's move on to Sarella's yarn. I know this is a lot because I got like oopsie yarn from her oopsie sale. Oh, what am I doing? Alrighty, what the heck? Oh, this is oopsie. I'm like, what is this? Oh, nice. Okay, this one actually has a label on it, so the other one she probably accidentally didn't put one. Bro, I was so confused at this yarn because this is not yarn I would pick, but that's why I like oopsies, because, you know, I can get yarn I wouldn't usually pick. So, no, the first thing I saw is this right here. This right here. So let me open it for you guys. This is what I have. So these are colors that I definitely would not have chosen, like, oh my gosh, let me get some yarn. I don't do like bright colors. I did get like a variegated yarn from Sarella's Taylor Swift collection that kind of looks like this, but that's because I was like stepping out of my comfort zone and it was like one of my first times buying hand-dyed yarn. But this is not something I would usually get. As you can tell, look at all the dark yarn I got from Explorer Knits. That's what I would usually get. I love like darker colors, like rustic looking, like browns, dark greens, dark blues, purples. Yeah, those colors. Grays, black. Anyway, but these are so pretty though, and I love it because it's helping me get out of that comfort zone. Like, I am excited to see sweaters made out of this. Like, yeah. Sweaters, a sweater. Alright, and next oopsie bundle, we have more colors that I usually would not choose, like unless it's for a sock or something. But here we go. These colors right here, but they are very pretty. Like, very, very pretty. One more package, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when I buy yarn in bulk. I just get everything at the same time. What the heck is this? Oh, DK weight. I'm like, as soon as I pulled this out, I'm like, this is not fingering. Oh, what is this? This is also DK. DK is thicker than I thought. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I definitely would not have gotten these. But anyway, these are DK weights for hats. For beanies. I'm very excited about that. Oh, these are so soft. It's so weird. Oh, this is definitely from the Taylor Swift collection. This is... Do you remember this color? Wait, what the name was? Lover? Yeah, it's Lover. Oh, and this is in DK. Wait, we can make matching hats.
That?
It's oopsie yarn, so I didn't pick it.
Oh my god.
Right? We can make a sweater out of our yarn and then make a hat to match. Me and Kalila, we both got sweater quantity in Lover, so... Oh, wait. Yeah, I got sweater quantity.
Yeah,
I can use 3 for a sweater. Yeah. That's so crazy.
I have 6, so if you need one,
Ooh,
I can give you one.
perfect. But yeah, these are the DK weight yarns that I got. They're all for beanies. And last yarn package. I'm sorry I've been talking for so long, it seems, but you know, it's yarn. You know? Oh my gosh, this is freaking beautiful. Now these are my colors. Are you kidding me? First of all, let's look at this beautiful brown right here. These are also DK weight, so it's also for beanies. And then we have this like icy gray type of blue, like metallic looking. This is very, very beautiful. I love that. And then we have this beautiful... Why does this stuff look like anyway, it looks all shiny and stuff, but I didn't get any other... Did I get silk? No. I think everything else was classic. Anyway, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then this is the most beautiful of them all. Oh, it looks even better on camera. Look at this beautiful blue. Are you serious? Are you kidding me right now? Like, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I want a sweater quantity of this. Jeez. Yeah, guys, that's all of the yarn that I got. It's a lot of freaking yarn. I know I'm kind of short right here, but I'm just leaning back. And that's all the talking that I'm gonna do now. Now it's time to just knit for the rest of the day. Alright guys, so I'm really sleepy. I really want to take a nap, so I'm ending off this vlog. It's so... I can't speak. It's it's so weird. I haven't ended off my vlog in the daytime in a while, so that's crazy. Anyway, it's Advent time, so let's show you yesterday's zone. Remember this? Where it's just like pink and white, and I'm like, hey, we might get like a random stripe of color. You know, we have these speckles too, but we might get a random, another stripe of color for a harsh transition, you know? I don't know. I'm not really guessing right now because I'm not going to be disappointed. So, here is number 20.
Day 20.
Alright, remember, we're closing our eyes.
Okay.
We'll count to 3.
Okay.
We can pull it out, but we'll count to 3 to open our eyes.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so tempted right now.
Alright, I have it out.
Alright, 3. Well, I said I will count to 3. We'll count to 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I'm so underwhelmed.
Okay, I like this because it actually fades.
Oh my god.
It's actually faded. At least
Yeah,
mine is.
yes.
Are y'all faded?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah,
Mine is
white.
Yeah, mine
But
yesterday
I have
was
like
white,
yellow,
like,
little pink,
It literally
more
looks the
blue
same.
speckles. Yeah. Alright guys, that is the Advent. Like I said, I'm very underwhelmed, but honestly, I am, bro. I was just like, alright, maybe because I don't like white,
Yeah.
like especially like in my yarn, so I'm just like, okay.
white. Sorry.
Anyway, yeah, I really don't care though because we have like what 5 days left, so the beginning half, not half, the beginning, the first, I can't remember. Anyway, the beginning was great, so you know what? whatever. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell because it will notify you whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog.